Jen got some new stickers she wants to put on the truck. Let's show them what they look like, Jen. I guess that's like Betty beige, I guess.
Yeah.
Sort of, kind of. Nice little bouquet. Alright. And let's see. You got what's on the other side? Let's see. Well, let's see how that fits on the other side. Oh, she's gonna be sporting dual Bettys. And then, what do you want to do on the? And show the Betty how you want to put the name, the words Betty.
See, we have the name here.
Yeah. Let me go on the other side. Now you
Cut
feel
that
better.
out.
Here I go. You get it set up. I'll go on the other side. Let's see. I don't know if the light's good enough for them to see. Here you go, babe. Can you grab that? See if you get a better shot at it.
Oh yeah, the light's better over here.
That's what we're thinking on the dash.
I think it'll look good there.
Yeah, that looks pretty sexy. All right, let's see what happens. All right. While Jen's prepping some things that we changed or that we're doing different, we spun the mirrors from, I was running them all the time like this. That doesn't work so good. You can't see nothing. This way, though, you can see really well. They work really well. So we started running them like that. Now, I saw some other ones on one of the other guys' post on one of the forums, and they got the mirror comes off up here and comes out, and there's balls, and the balls you can attach arms to attach your GoPros and your camera and your phone, and I'm all, oh, I like those. So we'll have to see. They're not cheap. Jennifer's going to be putting stickers. I haven't really done a damage report on the Jeep, have I? From the Rubicon Trail, what do we damage? Let's get down underneath it. We beat the heck out of the bumpers. I think you guys all seen that. We hit the skid plate quite a few times. I wasn't too bad on the, I kept them rocks pretty much off the tie rod, but I did crush the steering stabilizer. It's hasn't I don't notice it. It still drives exactly the same. Let's see, what else did we bash under here? We hit the diff a little bit, a couple times. Looks like we got a. Oh yeah, that's already. I gotta get in here and get some paint. And we dented our exhaust. So that's the cross member. Everybody's like one of the other videos. She was complaining about the cross member. And that's the one here on the 2-door. On the 4-door, I imagine they have one more. But on the 2-door, we had the same one right there. And ours got beat up pretty good. Not as bad as, we haven't done as many trails yet as they have. The Light Bright and Kevin and Brittany. I think they dented their exhaust too, if I recall correctly. And then our gas skid got a ton of scratches. We hit the drive shaft on the back, I think. I don't think I hit the front. Let me go get a better angle and see if I can get some, show you the back side. So far though, the ends, the drag link ends, the tie rod ends, everything stayed very nice and tight. We did loosen them up. We're going to probably do some work on the JK today. I have to adjust her because we did all that field work on the drag link and the tie rod. I have to adjust her steering wheel. All right, let me get to the back of the Jeep, see how Jen's doing on that sticker. Jen's the one that does all this stuff. I don't know nothing about this stuff. She's over here working, obscuring my Rubicon rash. It's, I don't think the doors will shut anymore. So I definitely have to work on it before I put the doors back. I'm hoping I can pop this back down, but maybe I get some suction cups and see if I can get a little bit of suction. And then the new rock sliders come through here, so see if I can beat it into submission and hide it a little bit. But you can see I got it pretty good. That was a good little ding-a-ling right there. So we'll work on that. I still got weeks. I'm waiting for my new sliders. You need better tape, huh?
I know.
I think I got some green frog tape in the Jeep, in the truck, I mean. Let me go get it. Which fender got beat up real bad? That one, huh?
Yeah.
On the other side.
Yeah.
So we hit that rear diff a couple times, looks like. Not too bad. I'm pretty sure I rubbed the drive shaft once. Definitely hit the control arm brackets and the shock brackets. Hit the muffler. I think these ends of the bumper gotta come off though. They're all thrashed. I gotta see what I can do about this license plate too. That's everybody's #1 complaint so far. What's up with this plate? Well, we'll work on it. I think we're gonna get rid of some of this stuff here anyways. Maybe cheap. Figure we're gonna do that so they didn't think too hard about it. There's a good shot of the gas tank skid. Sorry to get my can of black spray paint, but first we're gonna work on Jennifer's Jeep. We gotta look, she's got, with the rebuilt engine, she's already got a code, so we gotta chase the code on that. And one of her diff covers is leaking too. And they just did the seal, but work. If you own a Jeep, work's never done. Ryder doesn't mind. Ryder doesn't mind at all. Oh, Ryder. You don't mind? You don't mind? Yes, you can see how these things are all knocked out of a line on the fender. This fender took a lot of abuse, and I think the reason is I'm used to the JK, and the tires on the JK, of course, you know, stick out a little more. So you can pivot around things much easier. And I'm trying to do the same with the JL. I ran into those hitting the fender a lot more. I see it doesn't, I guess it didn't show that it sticks out a little bit better. A little bit further. She got a good little, she hit hers here real good. But the fender It's about there. So the tire sticks out a little bit past the fender. So it's easier to rub trees and big boulders and not hit your fender so much. I obviously rubbed the fender quite a bit. So I think Jennifer's waiting for our approval.
See what placement is.
That's where you're gonna put it?
Well, I'm asking you if that's where you want it.
Looks good to me. Her head's gonna be a little bent back.
I could bring her down a little if you want.
Kind of at her neck, so it's kind of natural looking. Really. Might want to move it a little bit to the left.
Okay.
The living room furniture with your lady's help is kind of like doing a sticker. It looks good. I like it. That looks all right there. I think that'll look sexy. I don't know if she's a girl, or should she have boys on it? I don't want boys on my Jeep.
No.
Yeah, that's her.
Yep.
All right. I don't know, she says she's gonna move it again. So I better stop filming it. Every time I film it, she changes it. That looks pretty cool though. She says it's gotta move one side, I think to the right.
Yeah.
To the right?
Yeah.
All right, let's see. We'll let you move it some more. All right, she says she's satisfied. That's where it's gonna stay. All right, I'll show you when she gets done putting it on. I'm gonna have to get to work on the other one. This cross member. Yeah, you can see we had similar damage like Kevin and Brittany did on theirs. Not quite, we didn't do the obstacles like they were, so we haven't caught it on real huge stuff. But we definitely, the Rubicon isn't child's play. Alright, I'm going to put some paint on it. So I was down there painting away. We have now a customized dash.
Sexy
Betty, our Jeep. That looks pretty good. Having a tough time reducing glare, but that's a good shot of her right there. Something telling my Jeep's gonna get a few more comments. No.
Making it sexy.
Yeah, you are.
Oh, yeah.
That's what happens when your old lady's a graphic designer. You get stickers on your truck.
Behold. We have Betty on this side.
I think my Jeep just got sexier.
Sexy Betty.
Hey, big boys. Boop boop beep doop. How cute. Oh, the lights are good on this. Size are these now? Not 18 and 19s. I need the 19 then. Out of your bumper. Oh, one way. Alright, what are we doing? The steering wheel's all crooked, right?
Yes.
So we're going to try to adjust that. And it looks like right now, your steering, your tires are pointed to the driver, right?
Slightly.
Okay, and so that means they got to go more passenger.
Yes.
Alright. Okay, you don't have to move. So I want to go. Can you shut this light off for a second so I can see? If I can't see. Alright. You filming?
Yeah.
Turn that back on. I didn't hear you. You are filming?
Mm-hmm.